hiding place. You always feel my heart will of to leave for us whenever I am afraid. I will trust in you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And real quick, we're going to be breaking down what Manny played for Nobuji at the Towdah conference. And they had this transition from the key of E flat. So I'm just breaking down what he played when Nobuji was singing. So the last thing they did was then result on 6. So basically, I'm just breaking down this part. The 6, 2, then 5, 1. And I think I've done a few series on 6 to 5 1 progression, but now we're not using it as a passing chord. You are playing it as a progression. So on the key of C, so you have your 6. You are right. First chord is A, E, and G. Right on the left hand. On your right hand, you have E flat, B flat rather, C sharp, F sharp, and A. So then, you have, yes. So next chord, on your left hand, you have D, A, E, and F. D, A, and F. So you have, so you can do, so first chord is G, C, D, and G. Next chord, you can just do, you can still do anyone, but I prefer doing this. So you have A, C sharp, A, C, F, and G. So then next chord is your G dominant 7. So you have this melody, your left hand on G dominant 7, G, D, and F. So you have, or you can just play. Then then is it you are left hand have your G dominant 7 still. Right hand you have your B, C sharp, E flat, and G. So sometimes I can want to play it instead of playing like this. I want to play it like this. Or sometimes I can just So you are my hiding place, right? You always feel. So on your 1, we are going back to 1 now. So you are my hiding place. 5, you always fill my heart. You get? So this 1 now is fill my heart. So on your left hand you have, it's F minor chord actually. F, A flat, C and F. Then E minor. So you have E, G, B and E. So right. So let's move to the 4 now. Rejoice. So I'm doing left hand, you have B flat and E. You have B flat and E. Right hand, you have F sharp. So you can do. So next chord. So it's more like a circle. So 6. So get. So you can do. For those of you that follow my crazy gospel passing chord, you would see this. So I'll drop the link in the description so you can check that out. So you can even want to try to open it up. So I'm just doing some inner voicings here. So this G and E, F sharp and E flat, F and D. So but you are doing it like, sorry, yeah. So all the way. Next chord you have D and E, the normal 2. Then yeah, I'm playing F, G. I'm stacking like this. F, G, A, C, and E. So I now did that movement. So you can check that episode out. I think that's the first episode I broke this down. Or I prefer doing this 1. Yeah. And if that's 4. Yeah, so instead of. So let's go from the beginning. Get. So you can even do What I did? Yeah. Basically, that's everything. So you can even do this in other songs that will have uh that will have 6 2 5 1. So So thank you all for staying to the end of this video. I'm sure you guys have you guys are able to pick a few stuff from everything we've broken down. And please, if you don't follow my series, Crazy Gospel Passing Chords, please, I advise you do so, because most of the things I'll be breaking down will be I'm interchanging stuff from those series. And if you don't follow them, you have no idea of what I might be doing at that point in time. I picked some stuff. If I ever did, it's part of one of my series, and part of it, yeah. So please make sure you do follow and also subscribe. Like I said, my course is going to be out first week of January. Discounted price for the first people that will get it in the month of January. So stay tuned, anticipate. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel also. God bless you.
You